Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Every garden deserves a flower that embodies elegance, strength, and a burst of timeless charm. And that is exactly what Peony Oocgugeas brings to life. Known for its lush, fragrant blooms and lush foliage, this floral gem transforms any garden into a romantic haven of color and serenity. For beginner gardeners across the USA, growing Peony Oocgugeas isn't just about cultivating a flower. It's about nurturing patience, beauty, and the rewards of care. The journey begins with understanding that Peony Oocgugeas thrives best in a place where the seasons breathe naturally. This perennial beauty loves the rhythm of cool winters and warm springs. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of full sunlight each day, as sunlight plays the starring role in helping these buds unfurl their magnificent blooms. Partial shade can be tolerated, especially in southern states where the afternoon sun can scorch delicate petals, but direct light is the lifeblood of their vibrancy. Before planting, the soil needs attention. Peony Oocgugeas grows best in well-drained, fertile soil that feels loose yet rich. A loamy texture mixed with organic compost or aged manure gives the roots a nurturing foundation. Avoid waterlogging at all costs. These plants dislike wet feet. If your garden soil retains too much moisture, consider elevating your planting area slightly or using raised beds to encourage proper drainage. Timing matters. The ideal planting season for Peony Oocgugeas is early fall or spring when the ground is workable but not frozen. Plant the tuberous roots or divisions about 2 inches deep, with the eyes, the small reddish buds, facing upward. Space each plant around 3 to 4 feet apart to allow for mature growth and good airflow. Crowding can encourage diseases like powdery mildew or botrytis, which thrive in humidity and poor ventilation. Once your Peony Oocgugeas are tucked into the soil, patience becomes your greatest ally. Unlike annuals that bloom in months, peonies take time to establish. In their first year, focus on healthy foliage rather than flowers. By the second or third spring, your garden will reward you with the enchanting sight of large, satiny petals bursting open in shades that range from blush pink to creamy white or deep magenta. Watering is crucial but must be handled with care. Peony Oocgugeas prefers consistent moisture, particularly during its active growing period in spring and early summer. Water deeply once a week, ensuring the moisture penetrates the root zone rather than just the surface. Avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal growth on the leaves and flowers. Instead, direct the flow of water at the base to keep foliage dry and happy. Mulching plays a protective role. In early spring, apply a thin layer of organic mulch like shredded bark or leaf mold around the base of the plant. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain even soil temperature. As fall approaches, remove excess mulch to prevent rot during the wet, cold months. Fertilization should be simple but balanced. Feed your Peony Oocgugeas once a year in early spring when new growth begins. A slow release, balanced fertilizer with an NPK ratio of 10-10 or 5-10-10 is ideal. Avoid high nitrogen products that encourage too much leafy growth at the expense of blooms. A light application of compost around the base can also enrich the soil naturally. support is sometimes needed. When Peony Oocgugeas blooms, the flowers can become so large and heavy that they weigh down the stems. To keep the blooms upright and graceful, install a simple plant ring or support stake early in the growing season. This small step prevents damage and helps display the flowers beautifully through the blooming period. Pruning and maintenance are minimal but essential. Once the blooms fade, deadhead spent flowers to keep the plant tidy and encourage energy storage for next season's growth. In late fall, after frost has turned the foliage brown, cut back the stems to just above ground level. Dispose of the clippings away from your garden to avoid harboring disease spores. Winter care depends on your region. In colder states, apply a protective mulch layer over the root zone to insulate it from freezing temperatures. In warmer zones, Peony Oocgugeas will remain dormant without much intervention. Just be sure to clear away old mulch in early spring to allow new shoots to emerge freely. Propagation is one of the most rewarding parts of growing Peony Oocgugeas. The easiest method is through root division. After about 3 to 5 years of healthy growth, you can dig up the clump in fall, gently separate the tubers, and replant them in new spots. Each section should have at least 3 eyes and a healthy root mass. With proper replanting, these divisions will continue the legacy of beauty for decades. Pests and diseases rarely trouble Peony Oocgugeas when grown in optimal conditions, but vigilance is key. Aphids can occasionally gather on tender buds. A gentle spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap can deter them. Powdery mildew can occur during humid spells. Ensure good spacing, avoid overhead watering, and remove any affected foliage promptly. In poorly drained soils, root rot can become an issue, so always prioritize drainage from the start. In terms of companion planting, Peony Oocgugeas pairs wonderfully with other perennials like irises, delphiniums, and daylilies. Their varied bloom times ensure your garden remains colorful throughout the growing season. You can also underplant with low-growing herbs like lavender or sage to deter pests naturally and add fragrance to the garden. If you're growing Peony Oocgugeas in containers, choose a deep pot with ample drainage holes. Use a high-quality potting mix blended with compost and perlite for aeration. Container peonies will need more frequent watering and feeding, but can be moved around to capture the best light or protect from extreme weather. As your Peony Oocgugeas matures, you'll notice that it becomes more vibrant and productive each year. These plants are long-lived, with some clumps lasting for decades, even up to 50 years, when left undisturbed. Each spring, the emerging red shoots will remind you of your patience and dedication, culminating in a spectacular show of color that feels like a celebration of life itself. For the USA climate, this plant adapts well across USDA zones 3 through 8, performing best in regions with a cold winter rest. From the gentle coasts of Oregon to the charming Midwest gardens and the suburban landscapes of New England, Peony Oocgugeas thrives wherever gardeners give it sunlight, fertile ground, and respect for its rhythm of dormancy and bloom. There's something deeply poetic about the way Peony Oocgugeas connects with time. Its blossoms arrive fleetingly, yet leave a lasting impression, just as memories do. Each flower that opens tells a story of resilience, care, and the quiet triumph of growth through patience. And when your garden is filled with these lush blooms, it becomes more than a visual delight. It's an emotional experience. Their fragrance lingers in the air like a promise of spring renewal, drawing butterflies and pollinators to dance among the petals. Caring for Peony Oocgugeas isn't a task. It's an art. It's about slowing down, feeling the earth, watching the first buds form, and knowing that beauty takes time. For beginner gardeners, this is a perfect plant to learn the rhythm of nature, consistent, rewarding, and endlessly inspiring. So, as you set out to grow your own Peony Oocgugeas, remember this: every bloom begins with a moment of care. Each petal that unfurls is a reflection of your patience, and each season that passes adds another layer to the story your garden tells. If you're ready to transform your garden into a sanctuary of elegance and fragrance, start planting your Peony Oocgugeas today. Let this magnificent flower become your yearly masterpiece, a living reminder that true beauty is born from time, love, and growth.